you doing? I'm here with Susan.
Hi.
Susan's been
Hi.
a patient of ours for a while. Now, Susan, what type of a problem did you have when you came to see us?
I had gotten to a point where I couldn't even drive because I couldn't turn my head side to side without having severe pain. I wasn't sleeping and I was having sharp electric type pains in the back of my head.
I remember you were in pretty bad shape.
I was really, I didn't know what else to do.
What type of treatment had you had prior to coming to the Busch Chiropractic?
I did everything. I went to physical therapy first. That did not help. I then went to neurologists and I tried medication, and then I went to pain management, and I was receiving injections in the back of my head and neck,
Right.
which was kind of painful. And again, I really didn't get any relief from those methods at all.
Now, we've seen you, as I mentioned, for a while now. How have you done since you've come to the Busch Chiropractic Center?
It took a couple of months to get me fixed. But I have been following the treatment regimen that's been prescribed for me, and I feel great. I have very much improved mobility in my neck. I don't have those pains anymore, and my sleep is restorative.
You know, that means a lot to me because I know you were a little bit skeptical when you came.
I was.
Maybe a little more than a little.
I absolutely was. I thought I would go the medical route first. But this alternative therapy has been really very, very successful for me.
I really appreciate that. Now, a couple more real quick questions. First of all, how do you like the staff?
Everyone is very friendly. The staff have been here for a long time. They've got a routine down. They work as a team. They get you in and out of your appointment as quickly as possible without you feeling rushed.
Glad to hear that.
Without feeling rushed, but also, again, very efficient. So that has been a real positive impact in making me come back for my treatment.
Well, I'm glad to hear that. I really am, because I always like to see you. You're one of my favorite patients to see.
Of course.
I was a little nervous the first time I saw you, though, I have to admit, because you were nervous to see us. But anyway, no.
All right, no, it's okay.
Would you ever recommend anybody come here and see us?
I have made recommendations. I don't know if people have followed through with that, but absolutely.
I really appreciate that. Is there anything you'd like to add for anybody that might be watching?
No, just you don't need to live in pain. And there are alternatives to surgery. I did not want to have surgery. And there are alternatives to medications, especially if you're a chronically ill patient with other medications. Think about not adding one more. And perhaps consider something like chiropractic therapy.
Thank you so much, Susan.
You're
I really
welcome.
appreciate you.
Okay.
Thank you for taking the time with us.
All right.